Final update on the Zv6 for Christian. We ended up doubling up the leads and going with my single 2 ohm coils, and then he's going to wire the pair down to 1 ohm. And but he's got a pair of Rockford 2500s, the BDCP, whatever it is called, and well, he had them strapped. And so he was running half ohm to each amp, and then he wondered why he burned them up. I'm like, well, you're an idiot. Like, you're clipping the fuck out of them. So I told him, you know, I'd recommend just get an 8K for the pair instead. So, but this is all, what's it? My Spider, Lord Bass Cone, 6 series, double stitch black. And then I still had some of the Sundown dust caps left over. So this is actually I think this is the SA15 cone, or what, a dust cap or whatever. So I don't like the ones that they use with the big flange on it. I think Jacob's lazy for not putting an inner cap, and I think he changed his mind on those, and I'm glad he did, because the fucking cap flies off and you're like, I gotta ship this fucking really heavy woofer back to him. That fucking sucks. All right, so this is a little experiment I wanted to do. I'll do 2 videos here in one instead of cutting them up into little ones. This is the Mofos that I had for sale. They're a really good woofer. It's equivalent to like a P3 from Rockford, 2.5 inch coil. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and put this big dust cap on them, put a DD sticker on them, and then try to sell it with maybe a DD amp or some sort of other exotic amp. And I want to see what kind of offers I get. I'll probably end up selling it for the same package, which was $300. 2 subs, box, and an amp, maybe a wire kit for $300. And but it's just how fickle people are about brand, and really what that really describes is people's ignorance. Because when you think a brand is good, like I just showed you in that other video with Niles, right? Niles is a really high-end home audio company brand, but they're sitting there skimping on hardware. Like, what the fuck? And they don't even give you a full 8-inch spider on their woofer. Like, what the fuck are they doing? And then they cheaped out on I think the coil former should have been thicker. But again, that's my opinion. It's not, they do things like that in order to shave pennies. I don't understand why they do that, especially when someone's paying $2,300. But, and on the home audio scale, that's actually like a moderate range. It gets much more expensive really quick. And then there's a ton of cheaper stuff. So, but that's just my 2 cents on the home audio. What did I do? The Sundown, and then I'll do these. So I think these still look great. I'm going to go ahead and remove that badge on the back though, so you can't see that they were ever Power Acoustik, and see how they sell. So love you. Later.